Yes, people, it is my favourite time of the week. It is your favourite time of the week. It's none other than GR of the week. And this week we have the Nike React Element 55 Schematic. I don't want to do that when I say schematic because it reminds me of like Virgil Abloh. And this sneaker kind of reminds me of it, although not a lot. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. So let's get into this box because these sneakers, they're pretty damn crazy. Coming in 3 different colorways. We've opted for the triple white, although there is a white version with multicolored patterns on it. I think we're talking like some orange and maybe a little bit of teal in there as well. And then a black and white version as well. So just imagine this inverted. I mean, Lana, if you could inverted, this is what it looks like right here. Coming with nice like Nike swooshes all the way across it. I don't know why I said like Nike swooshes. They are Nike swooshes. They're exactly what Nike swooshes look like. As well as like blueprint patterns on the tongue, as well as the side panels. This is easily one of the craziest React elements you're ever going to see. And I'm talking even crazier than the 87 with a see-through upper. This is available for £115 from select retailers such as Nike and Foot Locker right now. And I'm not gonna lie, they're crazy. With React all the way across the midsole, it is arguably the most comfortable sneaker on the market at the moment. And if I was buying them, I'd stick true to size. I've got 87s, they fit perfectly. I've worn these ones as well. Also fit, they're the good fit. One of them ones there. With a nice mesh all the way across the upper. They're breathable, they're lightweight. And I'm not gonna lie, these are the ideal summer shoe. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This is the Nike React Element 55 Schematic, and we'll see you very soon for another episode of GR of the Week. But before you leave, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below. See you.